Hello everyone, I'm Maghendra Singh. On behalf of SAG Infotech, I would like to take you through a brief introduction of our softwares. SAG Infotech designs softwares for CACS and professionals, and today we discuss about the software which is a project finance software. Project finance basically our company's newly launched software, and this software is basically for those who want to prepare or maintain their project finance regarding sheets and some data. So here we provide you our software. For working on our project finance software, first you have to select your particular financial year or year on which one you want to work, then go for the client master. When you go for the client master, here we already give you one dummy company by which you easily check it out all the working features. I show you how. If you want to create your own company, then click on new, mention the red mark start thing. These are the mandatory fields of the software. First you have to mention the code of your company, status, name of your firm and all other basic details. When you create your master, go for the next option, which is a project master. When you click on project master, all basic details are there, like what exactly you need when you create your project. So here you have to mention the details like name of your firm which you already created before, mention the name of your project, if some slogan your project having, and the project group, what exactly the financial bank you take a support, and then some other basic details like nature of unit, category, years, what exactly the actual working years and what exactly the projected working years. Here we give you the maximum limit that in actual working years we give you maximum 5 years, and for the projected we give you the maximum 10 years. Then you can also add some other details like what exactly if you want to add some stock adjustment, if you consider this or not. So through this way you prepare your basic project client and then project master. When you create your basic master, we go for the next one option, which is COP and MOF. When you click on MOF, here we give you the option cost of project and means of finance. This is exactly the sheet for the working purpose. When you click on existing, here we give you existing, proposed, these are the sheets. So if you want to enter the details, just click on the options. Here we give you the option like you can add your note, edit your note, or if you want to delete, then delete as well. Then you can prepare your cost of project sheet. Here we give you one more option, which is a print. By using this option, you take a check mark that when you take a printout of this one sheet, then what exactly fields you required in printing, you select it, and then when you take out a print, only these options will show. Here we give you one more facility, which is a generate blank template. By using generate blank template, what happen, one Excel sheet will be appear. So if you don't want to enter your data directly on your software, so this is exactly the Excel sheet. This one Excel sheet will be created where you just have to mention your data, and then after when you completely fill this one sheet, you can directly import this one sheet in the software by using import from template. Same procedure you have to follow for means of finance. If you want to add the details directly on the software, then click and mention your data. Or if you want to take a Excel, then I already told you, here we give you the option that generate blank template, take out a blank Excel format and enter your data. This is exactly the procedure for preparing your COP and MOF. Now next one option, which is the phases of cost of project and means of finance. So you can easily prepare or check it out that what exactly phase for the particular years like 12, 13, 13, 14, 15, 16, and you can prepare same Excel sheet as well. So when you completely fill your cost of project and means of finance sheet, go for the next one option, which is a capital determination. In capital determination, here we give you the options like general information. When you click on general information, some working period details you have to mention, like if you prepare your particular project, then what exactly the working shifts you take, It's a one shift or two shift or three shifts, or what exactly working days you take in. Just select the working years and what exactly the working month for particular year wise. Then next one option, which is a working capital details. Here we give you two type of details, like input and reversible detail. In input description, here we give you two categories. Categories are fixed, but yes, you can change the name. For example, one list was appear, but you don't want to use any one input description, then you can add your own input description, like I mentioned ABC. Same procedure you have to follow for the reversible, but in reversible we give you three categories, and same you can add your reversible details and then save this. So through this way you can prepare your basic descriptions. After mentioning your basic details, on which basis you want to calculate, like here we give you two options: determination on fixed basis or determination on product specified basis. You select this option, and then for example I select fixed basis. So what exactly the fixed basis amount for your sand input description or furnished good. So this way you can prepare your basic sheets, but make sure whenever you enter data, click on save button, then your data will be saved. After mentioning your capital determination, go for the capital consumption. You easily calculate your capital consumption as well. Then after this, next one option, which is the last year actual. By using last year actual, you can calculate your revenue or view your previous year revenue statement or balance sheet. For example, right now you're doing 2005 and you want to check it out or view your previous year, then click there and view your previous year details. So just mention the sales realization and other basic details for the software. And you can also prepare the blank template as well. After preparing your sheets, next one option, which is a working capital. When you click on working capital, current assets, drawing power, interest on working capital, and details or different sale reversibles. For example, if you want to prepare current assets sheets, so actually this is a dummy data, so data will be automatically there. But yes, here we give you the facility, then you select your current assets period, like it's a month wise or days wise, what exactly for the first year, what exactly for the second year, what exactly for the proposed amount. Look, one more option is there, which is a gross export cost as per percentage basis, or the current liabilities option is also there. Same process you can select as a month wise or days wise, or one more method is there, that on which basis you exactly want to implement, based on holding period or based on actual quantity period. Then you can working, and you can also import your data from long term and other details like this. If you want to check it out that you want to maintain only current assets details, just click on the current assets, then only these details will be appear on screen. If you select only current liabilities, then liabilities will be only appear, and if you want to both, then click on both options. Actual quantity or some other details are also there, that on which one basis you want to prepare, the subsidies is there or some other details. So this is all about your sheets for current assist. Same basis you can prepare your some other sheets like drawing power, interest working. After this, go for the other one option, which is a other parameter. Here we give you dividends or assets details. You can click these options and prepare your assets details. Look, details are there. Select the options and prepare your sheets. After this, next one option, which is a sales realization. When you click on sales realization, here we give you first have to mention that general information, that what exactly duties are apply on your sales realization, like excise duty will be follow, or sales tax or other leaves will be follow, or domestic sales will only. You tick these options, mention the rate that from which to on which date, and then you can prepare your basic details. When you mention your general information, after this you can calculate your sales realization based on three methods. First method, which is a product specified basis, second one option, which is a year specified basis, and third option, which is a percentage basis. You can select this option. For example, if you want to prepare this as per product specified basis, then click on this one option. When you click this one option, the sheets will be appear like product, modules or other description. Then here you have to mention your sales price unit as per domestic or export details, or what exactly percentage for the particular period sale. Then method for the year specified basis, select these details, select that it's a percentage or on which basis. Then after this, next one option which is a source of income. When you click on source of income, here we give you three options like what exactly it's a operating income, miscellaneous income, export benefit or what. For example, if you want to calculate operating income, then here we give you the options like just click this one option, what exactly it basis at, that is the amount basis or what. Then after this, next one option which is a expenses. So here we give you the expenses regarding sheets. If you want to prepare that what exactly employee expenses you have in particular this one here, then select the particular detail, that list of product on what exactly you want to. Right now there is no input for the employee expenses, that's why. Otherwise you can select the options and fill the details. After this, next one option which is a BEP calculation, which is a break even point calculation. By using this one option, you can select that what exactly the break even point calculation on variable part or fixed part. All descriptions are there. You just mention your amount and then click on save. So if you want to take out some reports regarding for the calculation, then just mention the amount there. IRR calculation option is also there, by which you can calculate your other details like sensitive analysis on particular sale price or material price basis, or multiple sensitive analysis are there, or some IR calculations like what exactly calculation based on the period wise or particular year wise, just like that. Then when you calculate your all basic details like you mention your cost of project, your material cost or your working capitals or your other expenses or incomes regarding detail, then click on the option which is a generate report. So as per your given details what you mention in software will automatically generate or prepare your reports what exactly you need it for working purpose. So when you click on generate report, sheets will be automatically generated like this. Look in right hand side corner, sheets will be automatically generated. Just wait a sec. Look, so your all sheets will automatically generated as the reports. I show you all report that what exactly type of reports we provided in our software. Reports successfully generated. Now just go for the option view report. Here we give you around 4 to 5 type of reports. First one report is a master report where we show you that what exactly your client list you having, your project list and all. You take out directly as a print or you export in as a Excel format as well. And you go for the view reports again. Here we give you the revenue reports where you calculate your details like sales realization in domestic basis or export basis, or you take out a reports. When you click this one option, you directly calculate your modules on particular year wise. Select this, take out a Excel or take out a print. And then your expenses reports are there like what exactly your material cost. For example, I show you employee expenses what you mentioned, then on particular year in 13 15 what exactly the quantity input, what exactly the adjustment as per you the details what you mentioned before. You take out this one sheet as a Excel, or if you want to take out a print, then you directly take out a print as well. When you click on yes, should generate a report like this. You take out this one report in Word format or PDF as well. And then if you want to take this one report in Excel, so just click on Excel, click on done, then it generate your report in a Excel format also. I click on OK. So your sheet is there like this. So you take out your Excel sheet as well. That's all about your particular sheets or report. There is a final report or sheet which is a project theory. This is exactly our added option, which is exactly the project finance report what the clients require or what you used whenever you want to prepare your project finance regarding report. In this one project finance report, we give you particular indexes as per the details what exactly they needed. So this is exactly our report. When you scroll it down, indexes are there where we give you the all chapter wise detail that what exactly the project of glance, introduction or brief history about your project like this. Project of glance detail, it's automatically generate your all reports, so it's easy to you that you easily check the all reports at a single time just clicking on a single one button. Okay, here we give you the option that you take these one reports in a word format or PDF as well. Then this is exactly a project finance report, but that's not the end of project finance software. We give you other one option which is a CMA. CMA is, we also integrate a CMA part with the software. CMA part, like if you want to take a single backup or say want to single backup restore for your particular project finance, then click on other. Otherwise, if you integrate your project finance with CMA, so click on CMA settings. Here we give you two options like link or project. If you want to link your project reports with the CMA, then click on yes, or if you don't want to integrate with this, then click on no and then select that on which bin basis you want to calculate your CMA sheets, as per the percentage basis or as per the ratio basis. For example, I click as per the percentage basis and save. Data will be saved, and then go for the next option, which is the revenue statement. So the sheets are there. Look, here we give you some other new one option, which is that import from CMA Genius. It means that if you using our Genius software, so in Genius we also give you a CMA part, so you can directly import your CMA data in project finance from your Genius CMA to project finance CMA. Exit from this one option. You can calculate your balance sheet as well with the software. You just click this one option, directly prepare your sheet, and then same process will be followed with the other ratio wizards and some other details. When you completely generate these reports, then there is the option generate report. When you click on generate report, so it directly create or prepare your all reports regarding for the CMA. Just wait a sec, the sheets will be generated. Actually, this is a single one software here where you got a all type of reports regarding for your CMA as well as your uh, project finance. So click on OK, and then I show you the option which is a view report. So when you click on view report, here we give you all forms what you required if you want to calculate your particular balance sheet. So just click on actual balance sheet and you easily got your balance sheet regarding detail. Right now I didn't mention anything, but when I mention these details, then you check out your balance sheet, your actual revenue statement. If you mention, then same procedure you take out direct the Excel format or you take out as a print. So this is exactly the part for the reports, and this is all about our project finance software. So if you want to know more about the details regarding for the software, please call us on our number, which is a 0141 4072 000, or you can send a mail on info@saginfotech.com. That's all about software. Please go through it and revert us. Thank you and have a nice day.